Sheesh. So if you haven't guessed already, we're chilling at Daikoku PA today. We're gonna walk around, see what cars are here. It's a Sunday. The weather's kind of hit and miss. It's like kind of in between showers and sun and clouds and backwards and forwards. But it's still a pretty good turnout today. And there is a huge line of pretty much, I guess, like ex-used taxis. The old like Toyota Comfort. So I thought that was kind of cool. But of course, we've got the usual kind of cool JDM stuff here. So let's go check out what cars are here and enjoy. Starting off at this end, we've got a couple nice 350Zs. Really clean black S15. Looks like a Spec R. We've got a super epic, man, is that active red? That looks amazing. So GTT R34 Skyline with what looks like the 34 GTR front bumper and the bottom lip and everything. On some TEs, which is really clean. Huge fan, the Nismo Z-Tune fenders as well. Looks really nice. Got a nice S14 here. Nice concave wheels to go along it. Dang. Whew. So this guy splurged on brakes. That's about $8,000 just in a front brake kit. Those are not two-piece calipers. That's a monoblock series endless brake kit. Wow. And then he's got the two-piece rotors with that too. So front and rear filled up those TEs beautifully. Damn, that's really nice. It's pretty awesome. I don't think I've ever seen like big endless brake kits, especially monoblocks on a Rexy, a WRX. Was it S206? S206? I don't know much about these, sorry guys. I'm still learning with my Subarus. I need to own a Subaru to learn about them. Really cool. MCR power, interesting. This 35 GTR just pulled up and then aired out. Thing looks insanely cool, not gonna lie. I still can't get over this line of just like taxis. So we've got a bit of a mix. A couple Cedrics and stuff like that in here. But this thing looks cool. It's got an exhaust on it. Very, very clean. Like full on taxis. At least I don't know if they ever were. I'm pretty sure they were. I'm pretty sure these were only made in the factories and used as taxis. I don't actually know if you could buy them personally. So many of them. Oh my gosh. Very cool. I think a long time ago, I think the police also used these over here. Although don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. It's just crazy. I have a crazy idea one day to buy one of these from, you know, like auctions, because you can buy them in auctions, sometimes even with still the taxi signs on them. And we'll do like a 2JZ swap on them, like an actual real drift taxi. Very cool. Oh boy, I just spotted some clean FDs on the other side of them. Let's go check those out. I'm really digging this. It's like a light pastel purpley blue. This is beautiful. And next to it we got this other one. Nice little bit of livery on there. Yo, endless two-piece calipers with two-piece rotors. Nice. Very clean. This wing is baller too. Big wing game. Yo, those tails are pretty sick. Nice. Well, same tails are on this one. That diffuser is mammoth. Whew. Yeah, I really dig this pastel color. I don't think I've seen anyone do that before with an FD. That's really nice. Oh man, I want an FD so bad, but they're so expensive. Pretty much every 90s cool Japanese car that I've ever wanted is now like way out of my price range. And I can't justify spending that kind of money. I need to buy some more abandoned cars. Couple clean FDs here. We got a nice white one, another blue one. Got a 34. Nice little bit of subtle Itasha. I love this kind of trend where like when the wheel cops the front fender and kind of damages it a bit, they just stack some stickers on there, a little bit of a sticker bomb. I really like this kind of like Apache like style livery though. Like see how it's kind of see-through and clear a bit? I dig that a lot. Makes it look really nice, especially on like a silver metallic car. That drag wing looks nice too. That's so cool. And we've seen this 4-door 34 a fair bit on the channel too. Really nice. Actually, every time I come and look at this, I find little other things that he's done, like since we last saw it. He's done this really cool kind of mod on the brakes there. Made the metallic metallic orange with a plate on them. I can't really read what it says. Deflex or something. Pretty cool. But let's go have a look at the Tofu 86 up the back here. It's next to a Supra. This thing is very, very OEM. Damn, that's nice. That's frustrating. One super faded light and a super clean one. Yeah, this thing's clean. And then moving on to the Hachiroku. Pretty period correct wheels. Body looks clean. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I dig that so much. Oh, look at this FD here. That is so clean. Damn, that thing doesn't look like it's been touched. Let's keep walking around and see what we find. Let's go venture up here a bit. Rice Miata, where you at? Why is your blueberry here? Is that a BMW? Nice clean Honda City there. And then looks like behind it a GT4 Celica. Nice 34 GTT 4-door here. Nice. Yo, this tint is so cool, the reflective multicolor. Pretty sure it's super illegal though. Nice 32 GTR here. Seriously, this taxi lineup here keeps cracking me up. Ooh, we need to look at the two Itasha Hondas side by side that are there. Those look nice. We'll get there in a little bit. So up at this end is definitely some cool stuff. Yeah, these are the new Subarus that I like. I want to get one of these. Not gonna lie. These ones look sick to me. There you go, I'm got a super clean FTR X7. I know this Supra, I've seen this in videos. It's a female car driver. We need to try and find it. Ooh, this thing is cute. Beat fully rigged out interior wise. Hello Kitty, it's like a little sapphire stuck on everywhere for a little TV screen and everything, cup holder. Damn, someone went to town on that. Oh man, they even did the little Honda badge. That's cute. Koska. That thing's clean. You got the right wheels for that too. Super nice. It's got a nice little flower shifter in there as well. That's clean. All right, back to the back row. Got a nice SDI here, rally themed. Looks cool. Laurel, VIP slam spec. Of course, Workmeisters. No one else in Japan would have it any other way. And then now we get a good nice look at these. Yo, he's on bronze TEs too. Mugen front eccentrics. Yeah, that's epic. This kind of stuff I live for, honestly. I love this kind of stuff. Beautiful. And then we got this one too. Very nice. Dude, those TEs must be brand new. They look like untouched. Very nice. Yo, my favorite part. Look at the shark with the mask in the passenger seat. Keeping the shark COVID safe. Good on you, Japan. If you guys in the States are starting to get like American classics are like getting scarce, it's because they're all getting shipped to Japan. Everyone's trading in their GTRs for a whole bunch of money, buying a cheap like Mopar car or something in the States and bringing it over here because that's the new cool. Woo. So good. This is so creepy. There's like this really crazy abandoned factory or something here, right by like the canal there where the port is. Anyways, I jumped back in the car and I'm heading to Big Bang now. We're gonna meet some friends there and do some driving and get some seat time. Should be a bunch of fun. Just arrived at Big Bang. You guys should recognize these faces. Hey. So Daiki just started this year in D1 Lights and Ruse is going to D1 GP next round, hopefully, if his car gets done in time. We're gonna get some seat time. Let's go, boys! Woo-hoo! No, you knocked me out! No! One-handed is hard, guys. One-handed is hard. One-handed is very hard. It's a new day. I'm back at the shop and check it out. Your boy dealt with this mop here. So we got ourselves a nice haircut today. Anyways, that aside, I know you guys have been complaining in the comments. I'm here because I'm sorting out all of the hardware and the parts that we need to take to Yashio factory for the S15 build. As you guys know, Dishworks is now on board and a full sponsor on the channel. So is Radium, and Radium sent me an amazing package of goodies that we're gonna be using on the S15. This particular one I am super excited about. This is a new fuel hat slash hanger system, and this is designed to fit multiple pumps in the tank. It's super good. We're gonna get some of this packaging out and I'll show it to you. So here's this puppy here. So this replaces the Nissan OEM fuel hat, and look at all of that stuff there for activities. I am so excited that Radium is now on board with the channel, because like that's just, Radium makes some of the most beautiful, high quality stuff I have ever seen. Like, look at these swivel tops here, and like just everything's billet machined. It's beautiful. You can see it's got little circlips up there. It's not cheap stuff. It's not like stuff that's gonna fail or anything. Like, this stuff is amazing. We also got their fuel rail set up as well for the SR20, which I'm super excited about. It's probably the best looking fuel rail in the game, to be honest. It looks incredible. By the way, can I just say, Radium, you guys kill it at packaging your products. Absolutely amazing. Look at this beautiful Radium fuel rail in here. Incredible stuff. Highly recommend their products. Definitely check it out, especially if you're looking to replace the OEM hat. You guys know I've had a lot of issues with the terminals melting and stuff like that on mine, and this is a huge upgrade, and it is probably the only fair price one on the market, I have to say. There are some out there where you could be spending, like, for one of these units, anywhere upwards, like close to $2,000 for some of them. So this is really affordable, and I highly recommend it for any of you guys with like Skylines and Sylvias with that fuel hat. So anyways, that's where we're at. I'm gonna get everything stacked and piled into the K-van. The weather's terrible, but it is what it is. I also got my new slash used S15 headlights that we got off Yahoo Auctions for an absolute steal, and these are gonna be going with the body guy, and he's gonna properly restore these and clear coat them so that they're gonna be pretty much brand new and amazing when we get the car painted. And just, yeah, going through all the turbo stuff and getting all that in there as well. Oh, did I show you the wastegates? So TurboSmart's not a sponsor or anything yet. If anyone from TurboSmart is watching this, reach out to me, please. I'd love to have you guys on all my stuff. But we went with TurboSmart gates because there's not much room in the engine bay. And the best thing about TurboSmart comp gates is these things, even though it's a 40mm gate, it's gonna flow like a 50-60mm. It's incredible, their gate design and flow and everything, and how they handle heat, as well as you can do water cooling on these. They're just absolutely incredible. And they're a small profile, so these are gonna fit really nicely on our exhaust manifold, close to the merge collector, so that way we don't have to bring this all the way down somewhere else to where it's gonna fit in the engine bay. So, love my TurboSmart stuff. Shout out to everyone in Australia, you guys make good stuff. And with that, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Back in the K-van and on my way home now, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Obviously, a little bit all over the place. There's a lot of things happening behind the scenes, like we're just running around and all that kind of stuff. In fact, going to the shop just to pick up all this stuff was one of those. But nonetheless, we're still chooching along, and S15, man, I think this is the week where, like, literally Tuesday or Wednesday, we should be getting the crank back, which means assembly, the engine will be done, the car's gonna go to the body shop, then there's nothing that I can really do on the car until it comes back from the body shop, and then it's all hands on deck. Engine drops in, everything gets reassembled. We got a whole bunch of mods that we need to do, obviously all the fuel supporting mods that you saw, and then there's also a bunch of body mods we're doing. We're putting a Hydra in, we're changing to Skyline rear hubs and all this kind of crazy stuff. So there's a lot that needs to get done. But anyways, guys, smash that like button, write a comment, enjoy, and I will see you all in the next vlog. I'm currently picking out wifey, so see you later, guys. Bye.